Welcome to Shom Machshava on the Daf. Your sponsor, Lundishman Sam Yaakov Leavas Yitzchok. We're holding Metzia Daf Kuf Zayin. The top of Amud Bey starts the 10th and final parak Bo Metzia, and it starts with the words Habayis ve'aliyah shel shnayim shenoflu. You have a house, you have an attic, and you have now two people. One is controlling the house, and one is controlling the second floor. In the second Mishnah, in the end of the Amud, the Mishnah says that if the aliyah falls, so then the Baal aliyah yoyred v'dar lamata, he comes down, he lives down in the house until the aliyah is fixed. Now just before we start, just to mention that this Mishnah, this concept of Bayis v'aliyah, is brought down in Divrei Arizal and has a deep explanation in Inyan al pi Kabbalah. And usually, when you have big, deep inyanim al pi Kabbalah, there is a more simple inyan that comes up on the surface that G'dayla Adoros gave us. And we'll mention here two of the explanations of the inyanim that are hidden in this Mishnah. First is the Yaros Dvash. The Yaros Dvash, Chalak Beis, Drush Zayin, goes on to speak about the difference in Bo Kamo, Bo Metzia, Bo Basor. Beis Hashem, we'll get to it in the end of the Masechta. But he mentions Bo Metzia is connected to Beinoni. Someone who has, he's a little bit of a tzaddik, a little bit of a rush, or a combination of both. He's not a full tzaddik. That's why the Masechta starts with Shnayim Oichsim Metalis. You have two sides, two people holding a talis. So when a person is not a full tzaddik, he's a Beinoni, he's a middle person. Sometimes he does averos that need tikkun. It needs to be fixed. What does HaKadosh Baruch Hu do to help him out? So brings the Yaros Vash in the name of the Zoya and the Arizal, that HaKadosh Baruch Hu sends an neshama of a tzaddik to be misaber, to connect to this person. And that neshama of the tzaddik helps the Beinoni, helps this middle person to come and grow and reach the levels that he can reach. It says that's the remez in the Mishnah. You have a bais, the bais belongs down here in this world. You have a aliyah, which is a neshama coming from above. The house breaks, meaning the person down here in the world made a virus and has a broken home. How will he fix it? The one of the aliyah, meaning the neshama from the world above, comes down and lives in the house, meaning the neshama of the tzaddik gomer comes and lives in the body of the Beinoni until everything is fixed up, till the house is fixed and the second floor is fixed, everything's being fixed up, and then the neshama of the tzaddik can live. That is the tzaddik that brings the Beinoni back to Toif, and that's what he goes on to say. That's why Mesech Bo Metzia ends with Perek Habayis ve'aliyah, because Mesech Bo Metzia belongs to the Beinoni, and we have the aliyah that comes and helps out the Beinoni. Tvorim nifloim me'oid of Revenis and Aibishitz. Another mehalach in this Mishnah is brought down the Noyim Elimelech. Chelek Beis Pasha Shlach, he says the following. It says, Ke'edu al pi Kabbalah, that there is nitzoitzes oyres in the world, that everybody has to be sakin. Everybody has to come and take out and extract. And his avodas Hashem, the nitzoitzei gedusha that are hidden in the world. This is the pshat, Hashemayim Shemayim LaHashem. In Shemayim, everything is Kaddish. That's already belonged to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. The Haaretz Nasal Bnei Adam, but human beings got the Haaretz to take out the gedusha from there, to reveal the nitzoitzei gedusha which are down here in this world. He says that's the difference between a bait and a aliyah. The bais is Haaretz Nasal Bnei Adam. The aliyah is Kivyochol Shemayim Shemayim LaHashem. The house is broken, meaning that the Adam has to come and fix it. He has to come and take out the nitzoitzei gedusha, correct the wounds of this world. He doesn't want to do that. He doesn't feel this roy. So Baal Aliyah comes down and lives in the house. When he comes, that HaKadosh Baruch Hu comes down to help the Adam be able to fix. That's the idea of Shechina begaluso. The Shechina is with us in Galus to help us do the avodas Hashem. And then we have to pay back to HaKadosh Baruch Hu what He gave us, and that's the shiros v'tishbachos. Our avodas Hashem, our tefillah is to give Yochel, pay back to HaKadosh Baruch Hu on the fact that He helped us do our avodah. And he goes on based on that to explain another Mishnah, Taharis Ayin Sham. So it comes out that Bayis Aliyah, Bayis is Haaretz Nasal Bnei Adam, the Aliyah is Makamosh HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and that's what the remez of the Mishnah is regarding the Bayis Aliyah. Another mahalach, similar somewhat to the Revenis and Aibishitz, but from a different angle. And these are some of the remuzim that this parak and Mishnah include. Anyone who wants to join Shom Machshava email list to Hotziko, please email shommachshava@gmail.com.